It's a Friday, guys. Welcome to another video. My name is David Pinto. They also call me TipsWithDav. And in today's video, we are going to specifically look at the difference between Warrior Plus and Clickbank. If you are researching affiliate marketing, these are one of the two main or biggest platforms that you'll hear out there. There's also JVZoo and so many other affiliate marketing networks. But what's the difference between these two, and why is it important to actually understand what affiliate marketing network you need to get started with before building out this whole process and starting the side hustle of affiliate marketing? Guys, I'm going to get into it, the essentials that are needed so you don't make the mistakes, so you don't have the problems that I faced for 6 years before I actually started to make a commission and those sales. I'm going to share with you in a second. Welcome, guys. If you are here for the first time, I want to welcome you back to the channel. I am David Pinto. They also call me Tips with Dave. And as I mentioned, I make these videos every single week, actually 3 videos a week, for you guys to be able to teach you the essential skill sets of affiliate marketing. Why? Because that's what helps me pave the way for my dreams to come true. And I hope it does the same for you guys. This is a side hustle. I do have a full-time job. I'm not doing this only purely affiliate marketing. So I just want to be very transparent and share that with you. But I am making now a consistent income coming in on the side. Obviously, these are my results. I cannot guarantee you any results. This is very important. Actually, no one can guarantee you any results. So make sure that you don't get those 100% guarantees. It could be a little bit scammy. So I'm just saying upfront, guys, be careful what you hear online. That being said, let me go into it and share with you some skill sets, some strategies. On a Friday specifically, we talk about the entire strategy that I use in 2023. Just to give you guys a little bit of a summary, 2023, I decided to go back to the basics, get started with the strategy without using social media, without using anything, but documenting my journey of how to actually build a sustainable affiliate marketing journey online, which focuses on primarily two skill sets, which we're going to be talking about in this video. And it has also just 2 steps, as you can see on screen right now. The first step is related to cash flow. The second step is related to the sales process and building a long-term sustainable affiliate marketing structure and ecosystem around what you're doing. Now, this can be with relation to any product that you have out there, but I'm going to get into it in today's video. Okay, we're going to be talking about Warrior Plus and Clickbank. What is Warrior Plus and what is Clickbank? We will talk about that in a second, but let me just go ahead and share a presentation that I prepared for you guys. And this video, it's going to be a quick one today, at least, sorry. It's going to be a quick one for the presentation, but I'm going to cover everything also, and show you guys some examples. So I want this to be a little bit more conversational. So in case you guys have any questions at any point of time during this video, please do let me know in the comments so that I can respond to them. And I hope that I'm entering into your logic and why you're watching this video as well, and not just coming from my personal experience. I try to always go back to the basics and keep what if I was watching this video? How can I help the person who's watching this video right now? That's how I try to at least look at it. So the 2 skill sets for affiliate marketing, guys, or any kind of marketing for that matter, what are they? First and foremost, I mentioned this in the last video as well. Time or money is always need to grow any business. So if it's free, just know that you're going to spend more time. If it's paid, you might be spending more money. If you combine the two, that is the best in my opinion, but it's really up to you the way you structure your own business. Let's go ahead. So affiliate marketing networks, guys, there are many affiliate marketing networks out there. I will explain to you what they mean, but there's Clickbank, there's Digistore, there's Warrior Plus, and there's so many others out there that exist that even I don't know the names of. Why? Specifically because affiliate marketing is a business model that exists to help you and I as a side hustle, but also a full-time hustle. And in fact, digital product marketing or digital marketing right now is becoming a 6 to 7 figure model that exists within the space. Forbes just said it last week, if I'm not mistaken, but don't quote me on this, but it's out there. Okay. So that means this is not unfamiliar territory anymore. From Amazon affiliate, which you can get 3 to 5% commissions basically, to, digital products, which have a higher percentage of commission. So obviously, personally, I am leveraging digital products, but you can go on the physical product as well. It really doesn't matter. These networks, they all have different purposes. So I would say it really depends on what kind of offer you want to promote, or rather what kind of offer you want to share with your customers out there or with your audience out there. Let's say you're using a specific social media platform to build your community, and then you want to offer a product or service. What kind of product or service do you want to offer? So To give you an example, with Clickbank, you have health and wellness, you have dating, you have woodwork, crafts, and all of these other options out there. And I'm going to share with you in a second, which really convert well, and they are high quality products that you can get on Clickbank. Digistore has the same. However, with Warrior Plus, Warrior Plus is a very specific marketplace that is dealing with softwares, marketing education, traffic generation, or advertising sources. These are all available on Warrior Plus itself. And you can range the commissions from around 10% to 15%, if I'm not, to around 75%, sorry, because they're digital products. Okay, so they're mainly digital products in Clickbank. You might even have physical products that are there, and they're just using Clickbank as a network to be able to distribute their product or service to other people. So they're using both Warrior Plus, Digistore, and Clickbank they're using to distribute, but Clickbank helps distribute physical products more because they can get it done well. At least this is what I've seen. Okay, just to know. Now the two skill sets that you need to achieve any of the goals that you have with affiliate marketing are two. Advertising is one of the first skill set that you need, because you need to have a consistent flow of people coming in, and this is regardless of the affiliate network, regardless of the product, regardless of anything. Advertising is important. How do I get people to view my offer, whatever it is, right? Offer a service. And copy. Why is copy needed? A lot of people don't speak about this, but I am going to speak about this. And I think that is one of the most important skill sets, actually, because let's say you learn how to get 100 to 200 to 300 to, let's say, 1,000 leads every single day. So you're getting 1,000 clicks every single day. Those 1,000 clicks every single day convert to 100 leads every single day. Those 100 leads every single day, how much do they convert into sales? This, for the leads to sales, is based on your copy. From your sales process, so from the funnel that they go through to the copy that you have on your funnel, and each page is a point where if you have a gap, you need to close that gap to get the highest conversion. So you might have these 100 to 200 leads coming in, but your conversion rate improves. So it's not about how much advertising you do, but it's about the conversion that actually gets you to the next level that you're at, right? But you need that data flow. So advertising is super important, guys. You always need to have advertising there, but copy is at the same level, in my opinion, for you to get the best results. That being said, with these two, you are able to, with copy, you're able to build a funnel, have a sales process in place, have an email list in place, and the affiliate marketing network or affiliate network provides you a link to the product that you can make a commission on. This is the entire process. So let's say today you want to get started with Warrior Plus. You would look for a specific kind of product within Warrior Plus. So let's actually go ahead and look at that so that you see it. This is Warrior Plus. Okay, Warrior Plus has thousands of affiliates, as you can see, has different products and services that are available. It's a very easy and sustainable process. But if I now log in, let's go to offers just so that you guys can see. Okay, right here, these are the offers that I can search. But if I look at category, you can see that there's marketing and education. So you'll have advertising, affiliate marketing. These are educational products or service that you're able to share. I personally only focus on affiliate marketing. That's personally my perspective. But you can find a lot of offers right here. Industries, if you want to look at crypto, if you want to look at e-commerce, if you want to look at investing, but there are educational digital products that are available, that are hosted here, not physical products, digital products that are available, hosted here, and that you are able to share with other people. Same with services. You might have software and services that are both available right here. So let's say SaaS-based companies, you can find also options here. WordPress plugins, you can find options here, so on and so forth. Services, coaching, consulting, all of these kind of things also are available. Social media management available here, writing content, SEO services, all are available within Warrior Plus as a network. That is the main. So I wouldn't go for, let's say, a health-based product. As you see, there's nothing related to health here. So I wouldn't even look for, why would I join Warrior Plus if I want to share a health-based product? However, if I go to here, if I go to Clickbank and I look at, let's say, sorry, I'm just going to see Clickbank.offer just to show you guys a little bit how it works, right? So in the marketplace itself, right now, I'm not logged in. So I need to log into Clickbank to show you guys. But you have different options out there. Let me try to log in, guys, and share with you. Okay, guys, I'm logged into Clickbank. I don't know why I had to open a completely different video. It doesn't matter. I'm already logged into Clickbank. You can see that I am earning from Clickbank as well. But just to let you give you an idea of how it is, you basically go to the affiliate marketing place right here, affiliate marketplace right here. And within this marketplace, you'll see they have new offers, health and fitness. You have e-business. You have spirituality. So these are also offers, self-help, garden, cooking, food, and wine. So I would say that there are definitely more options available within Clickbank itself. For example, if tomorrow that I want to go ahead and share, because I'm in the wealth niche, okay? So I would look at e-business and e-marketing if I was looking for a Clickbank product right here. And if I click on that just to show you, you have different categories. You have affiliate marketing, you have articles, banners, so you can find different options available. Copywriting, actually, you can find different options available right here as well. But let's say if I wanted to go into the health and wellness niche or a spirituality niche or a self-help niche, these are all good options to do, right? You can go ahead and let's say start. I would look at Clickbank to get started here, first and foremost, to find the right offer for myself. I would personally buy the offer. That's just me. I would buy the offer because I want to make sure that I have the right guide or right information to be able to be an affiliate for that offer. And then I would utilize the two skill sets. I would be advertising to my community about that. So I would create, let's say self-help, right? I would create, I'm giving you an example. I would create a TikTok channel based on self-help and start to post content on that. Even before I built out my funnel and everything, I'm starting to build an advertising platform myself. I'm starting to warm up my market. I'm starting to build an audience. This is what I would do. And then I would wait till, obviously in TikTok, you need to have 1,000 followers before you actually put a link there, right? In the process of waiting till I get 1,000 followers, I would create an entire funnel that is there related to this offer. I would have a simple lead page to the offer, or maybe even a free gift that they can get. A guide, because I've purchased the offer. Now I can create something that has value to the audience. Maybe I'll do a bit of research based on the TikTok videos that I'm making and the questions that I'm getting from that self-help option. I now have maybe a small informational product that I can PDF that I can create to give to the people out there. Remember, I'm always testing the marketplace before. You see the logic behind it. This is why I get conversions. And then from that, I'm able to share this option, as I mentioned in the training, share the self-help option in my emails to the guys. And when they do purchase, I basically get a commission from that. Now, obviously, I would look at something that has a membership that has a recurring income. So I'm getting monthly payments. So now I have to make one sale. Then the next month, let's say I make 5 sales. In the third month, now I've got six recurring sales payments that I'm getting. So you see how you should look at something that has more flexibility. But this is how I would look at Clickbank. And maybe, focus on other areas besides e-business and e-marketing. That's personally my perspective. But you can look at it the way you want. You can use only Clickbank. You can use only Warrior Plus. It's really up to you, as long as you have those essential marketing skills that are needed. Guys, I hope you liked what you just got there, because I shared a lot of information and I wanted to give you guys the real importance of these skill sets. Now, if you want to learn about affiliate marketing essential skill sets, which is what I call, I have a course that I created which doesn't use social media, which teaches you how to do it in the health and wellness niche as well. But in the entire structure, the entire way is focused on the skill sets. So it's focused on how do you advertise, and it's focused on specifically building a long-term sustainable business with copywriting, as getting higher conversions. This is the course that I've created, and I will be updating it once you purchase it. If you do decide to purchase it, you'll get lifetime access as well. So all the changes, all the updates, all the information, all the feedback that I get, and the improvements I make, you will get access to it as well. This is the entire structure. It's generating me consistent income online, and that's why I'm sharing it with you in case you want to get it. It's up to you, really. Otherwise, take the information that's there in this video. I hope it was valuable, but make sure that you do have those essential skill sets before you start promoting anything. Otherwise, you will just be making the same mistakes. And like myself, you will have 6 years that passed, or maybe for you, it's a few months that passed, that you do not make those commissions. So I want to make sure that you at least get that clearly. Guys, thanks for watching. I hope this video was educational, was helpful. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I'm going to see you guys on the next video.